At the northeastern tip of Sicily lies Messina, a city defined by its position, a threshold between the island and the mainland. From above, Messina reveals the narrow strait that separates Sicily from Italy, where currents meet and waters constantly move between two seas. This is a place of passage where cultures, people, and histories have crossed for thousands of years. At the heart of the city stands the grand Messina Cathedral, a symbol of resilience rebuilt after earthquakes and war. The city unfolds along the harbor, forming a natural curve that embraces the sea, creating one of the most distinctive port landscapes in the Mediterranean. From the sky, the geometry is clear. The harbor shaped like a sickle, the open sea beyond, and the mainland just across the water. Messina has been rebuilt many times, especially after the devastating earthquake of 1908, and this has shaped its modern character. Messina, the gateway to Sicily, where every journey begins or ends.